TechPression is live at the Epic Pay Developer Circle here in Victoria Island, Lagos, where innovation meets conversation and the future of African payments is being reimagined one idea at a time. Developers, product leads, and visionaries are gathering not just to code, but to connect, to talk infrastructure, scalability, and what it really takes to build reliable payment systems across Africa. The event commenced with Maxwell Ide, Head of Business Development at Epic Pay, delivering a concise overview of the company's origins and the range of services it offers.
Years ago. The company was registered 3 years ago, 2022. We got licensed by CBN April last year. So Epic Story started 40 years ago, but came to life 2022. Last year we got licensed as a PSS. That simply says that we have 3-in-1 license. So we run PSSP. We're a solution service provider. For Epic Pay, we pride ourselves as a technology provider as well as a payment provider. We also say we are the next gen when it comes to payment provision in the African space. We're new. We got licensed by the CBN last year. We have the PSS license, and that enables us to do payment solution provision, terminal development, and then agency banking. So that's what we do.
Attendees and organizers shared their experiences and insights, highlighting the purpose of the event as a platform for collaboration, knowledge exchange, and industry advancement.
I just came here to make some contacts and also and I connected with some people, 2 or 3 people now, and also I've learned a lot about the Epic Payments, Epic Pay platform and how to use it.
So this event was the Epic Pay Developer Circle. It's basically an event that was put together to connect to the developer community, to let them know about what Epic Pay is building and how they are trying to innovate in the fintech space, right? So exposing them to the APIs that exist and all the infrastructure that they currently have that people can leverage to launch financial products.
Experts provide deeper insights into Epic Pay services and elaborate on their robust security measures against hackers and scammers.
Epic Payment Technologies is they are mainly focusing on open banking system. We are sort of a meta banking app, I would say, and what we do from the different other fintech companies is that we give an opportunity for financial inclusion where people can link their bank accounts, and even if they don't have a bank account, we allow them to open bank accounts through our app currently and do payment transactions, create virtual accounts, do other relevant financial products that has been implemented in the Nigerian market.
The world is constantly changing, and one thing, the space that never gets filled up is a room for change. Now we are in the AI era, and we have observed, in fact, in the risk and compliance world, we realize that a lot of fraud is being perpetuated through accounts that, let me say, there's no adequate monitoring. Now, with the AI and the machine learning, we have realized that the machine, or let me say, the computer systems are going to be able to learn what we feed it. So suspicious patterns of behavior, maybe an account is opened yesterday and 200 million enters the account, it's a red flag. Immediately it's flagged off.
Is that they randomly try to attack our IPs or our URLs by putting in random path requests. That means the URL will be messed up to see if it can be penetrated. So we have put some rule-based path which is accepted, and then again we also have something called certain tokens to be sent through this rule-based path. These tokens are, like I mentioned in my event or my speech, that it's being changed every 12 days. So every 12 days a new token will be generated for this rule. So even if a hacker comes to do this, they won't be able to know what is happening.
In Nigeria's rapidly evolving digital landscape, Epic Pay is redefining fintech with a secure, inclusive, and developer-friendly solutions powered by innovation, regulation, and AI fraud detection.
There's two options to go for there. One is rule-based static rules, where we can say if a customer does a transaction greater than 500,000, let's bring it to suspicious, right? You can set in your system.
Olarewaju Adeni, Tech Pression TV.